cabin. Andrew booked us this cabin for the weekend after Valentine's Day, which is usually when we celebrate. So this beautiful cabin is actually owned by an interior designer, which you'll be able to see through all the beautiful decorations that she's put throughout this place. So let's check it out. So starting with the kitchen, very open. There's windows everywhere and no curtains, which Andrew was kind of scared about. But hopefully there's just no one or nothing nearby that can look in. But very open windows brings in a lot of light. You can see all the snow from our last freeze that we had in Texas. Nice big kitchen, came with some coffee maker. Beautiful oven. And I love these dishes. Overall, this place is really cozy. There's no TV, Wi-Fi, some service, but it's really a good time to spend with those you love and play some chess like we did last night, or read a book, or do a puzzle, which we might do tonight. The coolest thing I think about this cabin is that it's one big open space, and to get to the upstairs, there's a ladder. So there's 2 beds for your kids or whoever else you're staying with. And in this room, it's nice and cozy. Can't be too tall when the fan's running, Andrew. And then the shower and bathroom are located through here.
So I'm super excited about this place because 1, me and Jenna get to have a little getaway together, and then 2, I love exploring, and this place has 20 acres. So we're just gonna go around and explore and see what we can find.
Ow! Damn it. We're ready to go.
After my head started to bleed.
All right, let's explore.
Time for a little adventure.
I'm scared. Andrew just slipped down this. Do you want to go back and wash up?
How we can. We found the pond.
Woo!
I can only view you through reflection. You are the vision even when the mirror's gone. Upon the world is your projection. You can't affect it till you know you are the cause. I come to you from the beginning. Already here in every moment is a start. I see you within every passing. You are myself and I myself am God. How could I be so careless with you? How could I be so careless with you?
It's a raccoon print.
Found some fresh raccoon print.
They're so cute. I hope they're raccoons.
I know.
When you hear a large rustling in the woods, do you turn back?
Because I sure as hell do.
It's probably just a deer, but... We might be lost, but at least we're lost in this beautiful nature.
And together.
Oh. We made it.
We found it.
We found it.
It is like a little ravine kind of area. It's actually frozen at the bottom. So where I slipped is right here. and we just walked maybe a minute down this trail right here, and then the cabin's gonna be right up here. So if we just
went the longest way possible to get over there.
But it was a fantastic walk, and we got to actually explore.
It was.
So
worth it. Now we got to figure out how to get up this without slipping again.
We'll be fine.
There's the slip mark. The cabin.
All right, we just got back from our little trek, and now we're gonna be eating. I'm extremely hungry. I don't know about Jenna, but I'm gonna be eating some pizza, maybe a little bit of Campbell's chunky soup. Not sponsored, but yeah, I need to refuel because I'm extremely hungry.
Leftover cold pizza from last night.
So good. Pieces may only move one diagonal space forward in the beginning of the game.
We had to refresh our memory on the checkers rules.
To capture an opposing piece, jump over it by moving 2 diagonal spaces in the direction of that opposing piece.
Oh, yes.
So you have to go boom, boom.
The funny thing about Texas is we woke up and it was winter. It was icy and snowy, and now the sun's setting and it looks like spring. No ice or snow to be found. So now we're ending our day. We're gonna make some dinner and we're gonna have some wine, and we'll talk more about that in the next video because we didn't want to make this one too long. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the night, maybe do some puzzling and call it a day. It's now 9:09, and for some reason I'm pretty exhausted. I've been doing this puzzle. It's coming along slowly, and Andrew made some cookies. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it a night.
See you tomorrow.
Good morning. It's an absolutely lovely day. It's not cold at all anymore.
No, it's really not.
Probably in the 60s or 70s.
Shows you Texas weather.
It's been a really lovely Sunday morning. We woke up, enjoyed our coffee, and we worked on our puzzle, which we didn't finish, but we got a really good amount done. Yeah. Then just have been enjoying the outdoors. The weather is beautiful, and we'll pack up and go get some lunch and head home. We recommend this place, Piney Woods Cabin.
We'll leave a link in the description below.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the very next video.